Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter geometric measurement, and the lessons we're going to cover today are: find the area or missing side length of a rectangle, then perimeter, area of complex figures, and area between two rectangles. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So let's just start with the lesson. Here I am on grade 4 math. Chapter we're going to start with today is geometric measurement. The first lesson is find the area or missing side length of a rectangle, right? Okay, so basically either we need to find the area of the rectangle or either the missing side length, right? So let's just look at the first example. What is the area of the rectangle? We are given the length that is 5 units and the width that is 2 units, right? So the area of rectangle is simply length time width, right? So the length is 5 units and the width is 2 units. So you need to do 5 times 2. The correct option is 10, right? Whenever you need to find the area of the rectangle, you just need to do length type width, right? So that would be 2 times 5 and 2 times 5 is 10. Let's just start with the test questions, right? Okay, what is the area of the rectangle, right? So whenever you need to calculate the area of a rectangle, you need to do length time width, area of a rectangle. That must be length time width. So length is 5 units, width is 2 units. So you need to do 5 times 2. The correct option is 10 units. Yes, the correct option is 10. Okay, the next one is what is the area of the rectangle? So which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, that is again 10. 5 times 2, 5 times 2 makes 10. The correct option is 10. Okay, the next one is what is the area of the rectangle? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 4 times 3. Very good. That is 12. The correct option is 12. What is the area of the rectangle? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 5 times 4, that is 20. The correct option is 50. Yes, that is 20. 5 times 4, the correct option is 20. Okay, what is the area of the rectangle? The correct option is, yes, that is 3 times 2. The correct option is 6. What is the area of the rectangle? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 5 times 4. The correct option is 20. What is the area of the rectangle? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 4 times 2 is 8. Very good. What is the area of the rectangle? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 4. 3 times 4. The correct option is 12. Very good. What is the area of rectangle? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 4 times 2, that is 8 units. The correct option is 8. Okay, the next one is what is the area of the rectangle? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 5 times 2 and the correct option is 10. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is perimeter. Let's just start with the next lesson, that is perimeter. Okay, what is the perimeter, right? Perimeter is basically all the all the area that a closed shape have, right? So whenever we need to calculate the parameter, we need to add all the side lengths. So you need to calculate the side lengths also, because that is given on the uh, coordinate plane. 1 2 4 5 6 7 8 units. Then here you have 8 units and here you have 8 units. Basically that is a square. The all the side lengths measurement is 8. So you need to calculate the parameters, so you just have to add them all, right? So 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 32, it is, right? You need to find the side lengths. They are very easy. You can see here it starts from here until 8, so this must be 8. Then it starts from 2 till 10, so this must be 8, right? So whenever you need to calculate the parameter, you need to add all the side lengths, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what is the parameter? Which is the correct option? Okay, let's just calculate the side length, right? Yes, they all are 4 units. You can count the squares 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, that is a square. All four sides are equal in measurement. You need to add them. Yes, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 makes 16. So the correct option is 16. Very good. Okay, the next one is what is the parameter? So, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Let's just calculate the side lengths, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one is also 9, right? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just add all the side lengths, right? Yes, that is 28. 9 plus 9 plus 5 plus 5, because 9 plus 9 is 18 and 18 plus 10 is 28. So the parameter is 28. Got it? The correct option is 28. Okay, the next one is what is parameter, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 22, right? The correct option is 22. What is the parameter? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 34. Very good. What is the parameter? Which is the correct option? Yes, it is 14. The correct option is 14. What is parameter? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? 16? Yes, 18 it is. The correct option is 18. 18. 18 it is. Okay, the next one is what is parameter? Yes, the correct option is 24. Very good. What is the parameter? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 12 it is. What is the parameter? Which is the correct option? The correct option is Very good, that is 20, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is area of complex figures. Okay, let's see how do we calculate the area of the complex figures. What is the area of this figure? So that is a complex figure, right? Divide this figure into small figures like this. This is a, if you make a line over here, this is a rectangle and this one is a complete square, right? You can see here is 8, here is 3. That means this is also 8 and this is also 8. This one is 9, so this one is 9. And 6 plus 3, the complete side makes 9. So you have one square and you have one rectangle. So just calculate the areas them separately, the square and rectangle, and then add them to calculate the area of the complete figure, right? So just listen to me carefully. Whenever we have a complex figure, what we have to do, we have to divide the complex figure into small figures, right? Then calculate the area of the small figures, and at the last, you have to add them to calculate the area of the complete figure. Like I just make a line, just divide it into two figures. One of them is a rectangle and one of them is a square, right? Now calculate the areas of rectangle and square, and then you have to add them. The area of rectangle is length time width, that is 8 times 3. So the correct option is 24. Now the area of this square is 9 times 9, that is a square. It has all sides equal in length, right? So that means you have to do 9 times 9, that is 81. And you need to calculate the area of the complete shape, so you need to add the area of both the shapes, right? When you add 24 plus 81, the area of the complete shape is 105. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what is the area of the figure? Okay, let's just divide the figure into small figures, right? Just make a line over here, and this way it will be divided into two equal parts, right? Two figures, right? This one has the side measure length 2, this one is also 2, this one is also 2, this is a square, right? Calculate the area of square. The area of square must be side times side, so that is 2 times 2 is 4. Now you have a rectangle. Here you have 5. Here you have 3 plus 2. That this one is also 5. So the rectangle area of the rectangle must be length time width. You have to do 5 times 4, right? 5 times 4 equals 20. You have now the area of this rectangle and the area of square. That is 20 area of the rectangle and the area of square is 4. So 20 plus 4 is 24. So the correct option is 24. Right? No one is answering what's wrong. If you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So the correct option is 24. Got it? The correct option is 24. What is the area of this figure? So which is the correct option? Let's just divide the figure into two small figures. So you can divide like this. Make a line like this. This way you have a rectangle and another rectangle, right? Rectangle 1 and rectangle 2, right? So this rectangle has the measurement 6 times 4, that is 24. And this rectangle has the measurements 8 times 2, that is 16. So you need to calculate the total area. So you need to add the area of both the rectangles. Their areas you need to add, right? Rectangle 1 has the area 16 and rectangle 2 has the area 24, so just add them. 16 plus 24 is 40. The correct option is 40, right? So the correct option is 40. Option 2 is the correct option, right? Okay, what is the area? You need to calculate the area of the figure also. That is exactly the same like we did on the tutorial. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 105 it is. Because I remember that's the one we did on the tutorial. Let me just do again, right? Just make a line and divide it into two figures, right? This one has the measurement 9, 9. So you need to do 9 times 9, that is a square. That one has 81, right? Here you have 8 times 3, right? The 8 and the 3. So 8 times 3 makes 24. So when you add 81 plus 24, just one of them answered wrong. The rest of you just copied the same answer. That is 105. Please do not copy the answers from the other. Do the questions on your notebook. This way you can find the correct answer, not the wrong one. So the correct option is 105. Even you don't listen to me carefully. If you listen to me carefully, you know the answer of this one. This is the same one we did on the tutorial. But no one is listening to me carefully. Okay, what is the area of the figure? Which is the correct option? Here is the shape. Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 79. Very good. What is the area of the figure? Which is the correct option? The correct option is, what are you doing? Why are you adding the side lens? You don't need to add the side lens. You just have to multiply their side length, right? Let's just divide this figure into two small figures. Just make a line like this way you can have two rectangles. This is rectangle 1 and this is rectangle 2. This one has 9 and 8 and this one has a length 9 and 7, so you need to do 9 times 7, that is 63, right? Where were you when I'm explaining rest of the questions? And for this one you have to do 5 times 3, that is 15. You need to add both the areas, that is 63, but you don't need to have the add their side lengths, you need to calculate their area, that is 78. So the correct option is 78, right? The correct option is 78. You can start the lesson from the start and do the practice questions right again. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is area between two rectangles. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, what is the area of the shaded region? So you are given two rectangles, one inside the other, right? You need to calculate the area of the shaded region only, right? Not the one white one area. So what you have to do, you have to calculate the area of both the rectangles, right? The greater one and the smaller one. Then you have to subtract the area of smaller rectangle out of the greater one and you will get the area of the shaded region. The greater one has the measurement 6 times 6, right? So that is a square. Just calculate the square area. That is side times side. So 6 times 6 is 36. That is for the larger one, right? And the smaller one has the measurements 4. So just calculate the area of the smaller one. That is 4 times 4. That is 16, right? Now you have the area of both the inner rectangle and the outer rectangle. Sorry, yes, rectangle. You need to subtract the smaller one out of the greater one. This way you will get the area of the shaded region only, right? So you need to do 36 minus 16 and the correct option is 20. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, what is the area of the shaded region? You have to calculate the area of the outer rectangle and the area of the smaller rectangle. Then you have to subtract the area of the outer rectangle from the smaller one, right? Okay, let's just calculate the area of this outer one. So you have to calculate the length time weight you need to do. You have to do for the outer one, you have to do 6 times 5, that is 30, right? That is the area of the shaded region. Area of outer rectangle, not shaded one, right? The area of outer rectangle. Now let's just calculate the area of the inner one. It has the measurement 2 and 1, so you have to do 2 times 1, that is 2. You need to calculate the area of shaded region is now the area of the outer triangle, a rectangle, subtract the area of the inner. 30 minus 2, that is 28. So the correct option is 28, right? I think in grade 3 you're not allowed to use the calculator. You're too small to use the calculator. Use the mental math, right? Okay, what is the shaded area of the shaded region? Which is the correct option? What is the area of the shaded region? For the greater rectangle, that is 6 times 6, the area is for this one 6 times 6, that is 36. For this one 2 times 2, that is 4, right? So just subtract 36 minus 4, the correct option is 32, right? That means the area of the shaded region is 32. Got it? The area of the shaded region is 32, right? Okay, what is the area of the shaded region? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? That is 34. The correct option is option number 1, that is 34, right? Okay, what is the area of the shaded region? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 72. The correct option is 72. Very good. What is the area of the shaded region? The correct option is yes, very good. That is 32. Right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 4 math. The chapter we're working on is geometric measurement, and the lessons we have covered today are find the area or missing side length of a rectangle, parameter, area of complex figures, and area between two rectangles, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. Right? So if you have any question related to the lesson we just finished, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.